How to withdraw from Wealthsimple Trade. Hi everyone, in this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw from Wealthsimple Trade. So in order to withdraw from Wealthsimple Trade, you'll have to log in into your Wealthsimple app on your mobile device, and then you need to go ahead and tap the dollar icon located right at the bottom. Then you'll be able to see a drop down menu. So from there, you'll have to go to Move Funds. After you tap the button, it's going to take you to the other interface, which is going to look something like this. Now go ahead and tap the dollar icon or the withdrawal button. Next page, you'll be asked from where you actually want to withdraw. So go ahead and select the account, and then it's going to show you all the instructions and all that. Go ahead and tap the next button in order to continue the procedure. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you where you actually want to withdraw. So go ahead and select the withdrawal destination, and as soon as you're done, click the next button. Then you have to enter in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw and click the next button. Review the detail and tap the submit withdrawal button, and as soon as you do that, you've successfully withdrawn from your Wealthsimple Trade. So in that way, you can withdraw from Wealthsimple Trade. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.